Hello everyone, Dependent Quarter here, and the walk I have for you today is Magnum Superior, which comes from Switzerland. It says Superior Professional High Security Cylinders. Kite mark, okay. And on the back you can pause the video if you want to read all of this, but the thing that I'm interested in is pump and peak resistance. The unique V construction makes the Magnum Superior series virtually peak proof. Okay, we'll see about that. Basically, the wok has interior and exterior parts. The interior part is 5 pins and the exterior part is 7 pins. Maybe we'll be able to see how they mute the chambers on the Bible from here. It has sacrificial anti-snapping parts, and the good thing is that I got it very cheap because it has some physical defects, I may call it, here on the actuator, and also it didn't have the key card. But since I'll be picking it, I don't care about key cards. As you can see, the key works very smoothly, both sides. The key has laser cut tracks for the sliders and 7 positions for the pins. Also, I have in advance started gutting it because you can see this thing, you need to remove it. Also, you need to unscrew the 2 screws, and then you can actually take it apart. And yeah, basically I will try to pick it now and see how long it takes me to get in. This is the exterior part, the 7-pin one. You saw its key was working, and now let's try to pick it. I'll be using counterclockwise tension. Here is the binder. Oh, it's open. I didn't even realize it. Okay. Nice. Okay. Walk it back up and do a quick setting session. Take off the C-clip. C-clip is off. Using the key, I will rotate it, put my shim in. It's actually the first time I'm getting this wok, and I forgot my follower. Here it is. It's my first time getting this wok, so I have to be careful. Okay. Already dropped some stuff. Okay, here is the sidebar. I will remove it first. Sidebar. It has two tiny springs. I will remove them as well. Next, the key pins. Nothing special about them. You can see drill protection here and here. Now when I remove the key, I should be able to get out the sliders. Okay, slider 1. Slider 2. Slider 3. And slider 4. And you may have noticed that I didn't actually pick or do any manipulation to the sliders. And I'm going to show you the reason for that. Okay, here are the slider springs. Put them in here. Here is close-up of the core. Holes for the sliders, holes for the sidebar, holes for the key pins. The reason for that is that actually all of the sliders are no lift, which is very disappointing. I was very disappointed the first time I picked it. Basically the way that the slider is right now, you can see they're all the same cut, I think. No, or rather the different cut. Wow, this means the tolerances are so bad that I was actually able to pick the wok without even touching the sliders. Yeah, they're not the same cuts. They're actually up, middle, up. Yeah. This just proves how bad this lock it is. Okay, chamber 1. We have very interesting pin. Very weak springs actually. You can see the pins are barely coming out. So seems like only pin 1. Oh, here is another interesting pin. Okay. I was about to say that I'm very disappointed. But maybe not so much. Okay, we have a anti-drill pin here, which goes in the first chamber. And we have the tiny springs. I will tell you only this thing. I get the wok, I picked it in about 2 minutes and I started making this video. It's that bad. Okay, close up of the internals. we have the 4 sliders, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the springs, sidebar, sliders have no false gates, springs for the sidebar. We have all the key pins, we have this, I'll call it double spool, and we have this with sharp lip on the bottom, not sure what to call it, gin type pin. The rest are standard. Pretty bad lock. The only redeeming quality is that it was fun to pick. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.